Hello, my name is Guillaume Courtemanche. I'm here to do a training on your new Nowa system. So basically you've got 3 buttons. It looks like there's a lot of buttons. All of them are mostly used for programming and it has been taken care of by your installer. On your side, you've got 4 buttons left that needs your attention. So status button, the big I button. It will be green whenever the system is ready, whenever there's no issues. It will turn red when the system tries to communicate something to you, so either an alarm or a trouble. Then you've got reset. It's a button you'll use after an alarm and after it has been taken care of. And then open valve, close valve. So technically if you wanted to leave your house and shut your valve, you could do it manually if you had access to your system. You just press the button, shuts the valve, reopen the valve on your way back. So open valve, close valves. What we'll do an example of an actual detection. So those are the detectors you've got. I'll put water on it. That. So upon detection, shuts your valve, system will tell you what's going on. You take action, go fix the issue. At this point, the system will know you've taken action. You'll be able to reset your alarm and then reopen the valve. This can also be done through a free application. Obviously, if your panel has been connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or wired internet. Once your application is configured, you've got access to your system, you will find the same 3 buttons you find on your control panel. Obviously it will tell you what's going on. So the system status is currently an alarm. It will identify that alarm. You'll be able to see which detector is currently an alarm. Once it has been taken care of, you'll be able to reset your alarm and reopen your valve. Thank you.